In part 1 of building the ultimate Minecraft server, we showed you guys the water cooling setup and the custom enclosure that we're planning to use, but we actually left off a lot of the actual building of the machine because of a combination of reasons. Number 1 was we hadn't actually completely figured it all out yet, and we ran into some problems that we couldn't immediately solve. And number 2 is that
we didn't want a 40-minute long video.
Ridge Wallet is the sleek way to keep wallet bulge down with its compact frame and RFID blocking inner plates. Use offer code Linus to save 10% and get free worldwide shipping today. For those of you who didn't see part 1, here's a quick rundown of the parts we're using. We've got a couple of binned Core i9 9900K processors, each one of them equipped with 32 gigs of DDR4 memory, 2 1 terabyte PCI Express NVMe drives powered by an 800 watt SFXL power supply. Because our power splitter supported only a maximum of around 425 watts, we were concerned that that wasn't going to be enough. So step 1 then is to water cool not one, but both of our motherboards and CPUs. Now in a normal 2U server, you'd only have about this much space for cooling for the CPU. Of course though, we went and designed an entire chassis around throwing a bunch of water cooling in it thanks to these mono blocks from EK that'll handle cooling not just for our CPU, but also the VRM around it, so we don't have to worry about these things popping when we're overclocking them.
Ah, you ever had a cap explode while you're overclocking?
Actually, no. No, I've had pretty good luck that way.
Yeah, I put this much thermal paste on a CPU one time, and somebody commented like, that was way too much thermal paste, and it was like a top comment. Maybe I'm just stupid, I don't know.
Like, it's just messy. That's the only issue with it.
Underneath here, it's the same shape.
Yeah.
I just already put the thermal pads on.
Yeah, that's fine. Schwamp. My side is gonna be the adult side, and it's not gonna have any RGB.
It's definitely gonna have RGB, what are you talking about?
I'm not plugging it in?
Yes, you are.
I refuse.
I will plug it in after that. I don't even like RGB. Did I tell you I dropped it?
Oh no.
I had like WD-40 on my hands and I went to move it and it like slipped out of my hands. Although it's okay because we do need to get a replacement front bit that has rack holes in it.
What kind of madness is this? These are beefcakey. They're big boys. They're like Magnum fittings.
Yeah, because like a Magnum revolver is large, right?
Sure.
Yeah.
I was thinking more in terms of condom sizes, but.
Demonetized.
This is designed for there to be very little, if not zero evaporation over time. So this system should be basically zero maintenance. That's the correct reason, right?
Yeah.
Cool. You look cool.
I don't.
I don't know, you're wearing that cool LTX hoodie.
It's a VIP one.
I know it is. How'd you get that? Yeah, you can't buy it.
But you can get this at lttstore.com. Yeah. Okay, so I threw one of the SSDs on here. The other one's gonna go on the back. Now the problem I noticed when I tried this beforehand is it actually like touches the board, which is super sketchy and scary. So I'm gonna put some electrical tape on mine.
Man, once you get the block on there and the SSDs and everything, it has some heft to it. And you don't even have the fittings on there yet. These things are freaking heavy. Can I put my power supply in?
I think we should put the power supplies in last.
So what's the plan for the tubing run then? Do you MS paint it up?
No, I use my Galaxy Note 10 pen. Basically, I kind of ran through the tubing layouts on the phone and in my head. So we're gonna be running these in sort of a series configuration. So it'll go blop, blop, blop.
We've got plenty of pump for that.
Yeah, like that won't be an issue.
Your test tube here, I can't take the thing off.
I told you it's tight.
Is that the intended method?
Yeah, there's an Allen.
An Allen key inside them.
You never seen that before?
No, that's like cool.
All EK fittings. Oh my God, yeah, these are really tight.
Yeah, you just need my wrist strength. He's an animal.
Wow, you actually took it off.
You took it out. And now it's soapy.
Yeah, so?
Wow,
it just evaporates.
Now you're gonna have no grip.
Oh, now I can't get it off.
Because it's soapy!
It's weird, if you do just water, it doesn't stick to the tube at all. If you put like a drop of soap.
Jake, which way is it coming around?
The outlet's gonna come to here.
Beautiful, perfect, that's all I needed to know.
Oh God.
It's fine.
You could have just put some on your finger.
Yeah, usually when I'm doing this, I don't bother with the soapy water. I just like lick my pinky and stick it in there.
That's kind of gross. Wow, it's so easy to put these ones on because they've been in compression for like a couple weeks now.
Shh, don't put that in the video.
But this one already has fittings on it. Our outlet from the pump goes to here.
All the way to here, okay.
I don't think it's gonna make this because I don't have any 45s, so.
290s. You know you like it. Hold on a second.
Do you wanna see this like horrifying gouging of this fitting?
Hold on, can you at least put paper towel on it? Just wrap that around it and then it doesn't get like destroyed.
How many grip now?
Maybe you just need more grip strength again. Do I need to come over there and show you what's up?
Sorry, what? R/wank strength.
Is it perfect or what?
It's gonna hit that fan. That's right there. That's not right there, actually.
Do we have a Dremel handy?
I'm just gonna get some tin snips.
But I could just jam this fan in here now that the fitting's on.
Oh, God. I hate it. Can we just cut the thing?
Yeah, we can cut the thing.
Okay.
Oh.
Jacob, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry.
And is it gonna make it?
Oh God, you cut it without checking first?
Well, no, I didn't cut it.
Oh.
So theoretically,
Does it fit?
that fits.
Ow. It may not be pretty. It should work.
Oh, damn it.
But
I put it on the wrong way. There we go.
okay, wow, that's really tough.
I know it's tight, but is it in or not?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You didn't even tighten this fitting yet.
it's tight enough.
They're not even like, this one is not even threaded on there.
How many compression fittings have you put on in your life?
It looks terrible.
All right, put this on.
There's a giant window on the top.
Put it on.
It looks so bad.
It looks fine.
Oh my God.
It's fine and you know it.
I mean, I already dropped the thing, so like whatever. Alphacool actually includes these really handy T-bars so you can open plastic fittings without making them look all gross and marred up.
They could also just include metal fittings. Oh, right.
No, no, no.
LTTstore.com.
I wasn't even talking. No, what? Stop. What?
LTTstore.com.
Oh, that doesn't smell very good. I don't think you should drink this. Oh my God. Oh.
Wow.
I did so well at the start.
Wow.
I was gonna say, if A-Prime's editing this, he's probably gonna overlay that with like, wasted, just me cleaning the ground.
Did you actually get EK to send you water? Shipping water to Canada should be a crime. How long you want it?
It's easier because the container's more full.
Ah, shoot.
Oh, that was like worse than my screw up. This isn't even better than just pouring out of the main bottle.
Well, yeah, I don't know why you were bothering to fill this stupid bottle. Did you by any chance set that pump to like low speed?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is at full. Okay, cool.
It's just very quiet when there's no bubbles in there.
Want to give it a quick tip? No. I'll admit it anytime I fart. I don't giggle about it. I say I wouldn't come in here. Then if people don't clue in, then I'll giggle about it a little. Did you only bring one cable tie? What, zip ties?
Yeah. Look, nobody bought the LTT ones anyways.
Then we should use them.
Why are the cables gray?
Well, because you didn't get one that was the right length, so I went and got one. I had a gray one. It's
Oh,
fine.
do we have gray other things? So that we could just do gray on that side?
Oh, you're not gonna like this. It's gray and black.
No, we're not doing that.
Just chill.
Linus,
For a
no.
second.
Linus, no.
Just chill for a second. It's mostly gray.
Oh, God.
It's not long enough.
What? Yes, it is.
It's not long enough.
Oh, it's
a
totally
shorter
long
one.
enough.
Oh yeah, this one is substantially longer.
I wanted to
betting
bet
anything.
first.
I'm not
I
betting
knew.
anything.
$10.
I don't bet with children.
Oh, what?
And that's what you get for using your crummy zip ties.
It's orange. Why would you grab the orange ones?
I kept
So ugly.
I kept the white ones for myself.
What the hell?
Well, my side's gray. Your side can be black and orange.
I'm Batman. I'm Batman. You should see my solution to the power buttons. It's great.
Oh yeah?
The only thing I could get quickly, because we were expecting to film this last week, was these
Oh, seriously?
push button switches. So I put these ones in the back, and then I was worried about accidentally pushing them, so I 3D printed these little things, so you have to actually like stick in there. It's on the back, like who cares?
So that's it. Both of these systems are wired up, ready to be plugged in. Where do you want these power buttons? Or, I mean, I guess we're not gonna close up the top for now, realistically,
Just don't
are we?
put them in yet. Or just plug them in, but
Sure.
oh, they're so ugly. Do you
Yeah,
want to grab a
they're-
Sharpie and like make that red?
These
black?
are pretty awful. I mean, shouldn't we just replace them?
We're getting a divorce.
So I had kind of a plan. I need one more Y connector, and I was gonna use that one for the front two here. So there, Y cable to that.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to.
No, is it not gonna work? Dang it.
Oh, it's terrible.
I don't think the fan cables are gonna look good regardless, Jake. So each port on our Corsair Commander Pro here is gonna handle 4 fans.
I think these fans draw 0.08 amps.
Trivial.
Each of these ports can do 1 amp.
So that's it.
Commander Pro is plugged in. We got the USB
We can boot this thing up.
fans. Oh, we didn't do RGB. Do we care? We're not even gonna be able to control it. It's running Linux.
Look, is it a gaming server? I think this is the right way.
Oh.
So many people ask us, why do you guys need so many computers? You guys are always building computers.
There's like so few that we keep.
We take them back apart. This one we're gonna keep.
Well, yeah, this is a server.
Okay, I'm firing it up. Woo! Mine didn't turn on. So we've got our Rainbow Wave RGB set up. It's gonna be a little tight once the actual piece of acrylic's in there, actually. How are we load testing this thing?
I think what we should do is just get a bunch of people to play on the thing. So we went ahead and installed Proxmox on both of our systems, and I set them up as a cluster. Now, inside of each of our VMs, we've set up 8 Minecraft servers, and we're gonna use something called bungee cord. And this will allow us to connect all of these servers into just one IP for all 8 of them, or all 16, I guess. Actually, it looks pretty good.
It does look pretty good. I'm super happy. So we're aiming to enable XMP on our RAM, which is DDR4 3000 CL15. That should be what this one's capable of. Let's see if it boots. And then given that we don't really have a stress test installed, we're gonna use Minecraft as our stress test. So both servers are running at 5 gigahertz. The server's live, can you connect to it?
Very shortly.
He's been saying that for about the last.
So we have our 16 instances. Theoretically, once one fills, it should fill the next one and the next one.
I asked you if that was why it was called waterfall, and you're like, no.
That's not why it's called
that. That is literally waterfalling. We're aiming for 1,600 users. Is that impressive? Like, is that good? Running off a single 2U?
It will give us a good image of how much this thing can handle.
Okay. So you're gonna hit how many thousands of people in the Discord right now? Hold up, you are messaging 14,000 people. You giant bag of
turds. Sorry. Oh, we got one person on here. Okay. Oh, that was quick. Oh, we're getting a bunch of people joining. Oh, Michka's on here. Cool, she's one of the mods on the actual server. We got 7.
Here it goes.
Maybe we should tweet this too.
We're gonna find out real quick if any of our cores are unstable, eh?
Yeah.
Because it's gonna fill them up 1 core at a time.
Okay, we're at 16 now.
Okay.
Wait, I think it's only version 1.12.2. Yeah. Oops.
Oh.
Derped that one up. See, all these people are getting kicked for being on the wrong version.
Oh no.
I'm sorry. We're sitting at a steady 20 ticks per second, which is beautiful. People are cutting down trees and stuff. 80 people.
80 people.
This guy was hacking, already got kicked for hacking.
Nice.
We're at 101.
Hold on a second, I need to do a community post.
Okay, well, I kind of bunged the thing up. For some reason, it's not putting people into the second server.
Okay.
Why isn't this working? Doing things live is the worst.
We had to kick everyone because the water falling isn't working.
It's okay. People are very aware that it's a thing, so they will rejoin after it's back up. Apparently there's 103 people on here already. S1 to S2. There we go. Oh, whoo!
So our power supply fan is spinning.
I'm just manually moving people because, oh God, the Minecraft instance I was on just crashed. It should restart. It probably didn't like me dumping 100 people in at once. That was the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, there we go, now I'm on. I just moved everyone to a different server. We got 261 now.
So I can post, right?
Yeah, just go for it, whatever.
All right. Okay, I just hit all of our YouTube viewers.
Oh God, oh no.
Wait, did you just kick them?
I think our proxy is not able to handle this much bandwidth. Oh. So many people. I'm getting punched. Leave me alone. Everything's going great.
Yeah, except that we're not admins of our own server. I want to be an op too.
Oh, I just crashed it by doing that.
Oh, come on!
What just happened? Well, is that proven enough?
Okay, so we had over 250 people on the server. Do we consider this a success or a failure at this point? We saw CPU usage up as high as around just shy of 35% on one of the machines, and what about the other one?
Yeah, there wasn't really anything.
Nope, nothing really going on there. So theoretically, we were up at around 1/6 of our total capacity, which is about what we expected, around 1,500 users. Okay, so all we have to do is keep it up for a while. That's what she said.
So it looks like our proxy server wasn't actually able to handle the load we were putting on it.
Yeah, we got hit pretty hard when we basically told our entire audience, hey guys, we got a Minecraft server, go, 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 go.
It didn't waterfall at all, so there's just like thousands of people trying to connect to one server. Obviously that's not great, but we're gonna beef it up for the actual launch, and I think we're gonna aim December 1st for the actual launch.
Yep, Christmas present, LTT Minecraft server, hopefully it's freaking awesome. We'll see you guys there. Speaking of seeing you guys there, I'll see you guys at this message from our sponsor. So it's after midnight and someone's knocking on your door. Did you order pizza in your sleep? Or is something suspicious happening? You can check out what's going on through your phone, computer, or your MacBook with your Ring doorbell. And it's not only handy for making sure you're safe. One of my favorite things is you can use it to make sure the delivery driver doesn't run off after the first knock, because it's got two-way voice. The Ring Welcome Kit has tons of great features. So it includes the Video Doorbell 2, which has a motion sensing camera with adjustable range, 1080p HD resolution, and 160 degrees of vision, along with the two-way audio that I mentioned before, and it can be powered either by battery or 8 to 24 volt AC doorbell wiring. And the Chime Pro, which is also included, not only lets you know when someone pushes your doorbell with a loud ring, but it even extends your Wi-Fi. This is useful for making sure that you get a stronger connection to all your Ring devices, and even fewer Wi-Fi dead zones. So get some peace of mind and extra convenience with the Ring Welcome Kit. It's compatible with iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows, and you can buy it at the link in the video description. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are looking forward to Minecrafting it up. I still gotta learn how to play Minecraft. Oh boy, are people in the Discord mad?
In voice chat.
Sorry.